Hello guys, so welcome back to Daily Entertainment Bars right here on GH TV. Please, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell icon right next to the subscribe button. And also don't forget to also drop your comment in the comment section below. Give this video a thumbs up and also share this video with your friends and loved ones.
So in this country, you will call them all your so-called women empowerment people. Obi did you attend that did you will see a failed woman, a non-entity. No, see radio be so. No friend, huh? And I'm a feminist. And feminist for no one take manager is blessing. Tunuma. Cecilia Marfo could stream microphone just to embarrass the girl. Ah? Omuni chrome how? Feminist for no money chroma. Women feminist money chroma. When the catch was a holy I worry the coin. I worry ye the coin. I worry. Which part of the Bible? And I say a ye be poor 10 said you were 1 year si koye. Nana made some catch him some worry didn't be on some gem. But a lot of people will not make it to heaven because of marriage. A lot of people will not see heaven because of marriage. I hear the coin. But suddenly, women empowerment organizations, no, those women empowerment now, means we are trap bone to Tracy catcher and send a trap bone. Mokotina radio, not Tracy watching. Monty Croman and Miss Watty radio, so or do bar aqua so. What the fuck is this women empowerment? A chroma, choose and pick, Ain't na Maya said the Motiano. Ain't na you be here calling him. Now, most so-called feminists, the more test the sign because of your choose and pick activism. May sa bosu be me say Christian Council, dear Namaba out ababeka. Because yes, Cecilia Marfo ye no enye Holy Ghost. Sabi ye bi ye nyame muntiti ye. Na se de mi kosua Bible school no, eni nyame won konkuru amene nam na sa na menim na. Holy Ghost or a discipline kuni penny must Bible class of fighting. One fire so be good and you must say. Aye, sign a Bible kind. One fire and so be good and you must say. And today na Christian Council on my car phone. Ah, and you'll be in the anchor letter. Nyatom hypocrites. This country is so hypocritical. What do you call one tears here? And you'll be in my camacho man. Dear Cecilia Marfo ye no, and your opinion money no times 7. Dear Cecilia Marfo ye no, and you do opinion ye no times 7. Matsnas ya the menimuta danya traya to nebning. What come on want to Christian Council one. Obiya ye ding na Cecilia Marfo ache Joyce blessing and we good anima say and was supano because Joyce is still only Dave Joy Kotibim. Indeed, spiritual by force. Go to your S. Go to your S. Sadly, we don't have feminists talking about these things. Suddenly. Mr. Tracy catcher Miss Bell trainer of food general. Send a trust of food general. We had people sitting on radio calling that small girl out. We had grown-ups fighting her. Some man who were and as I Miss Bernard TV so the uncle back so where are those bitches that call themselves feminists? Where are those bitches? Mona namu Tracy watching mo super colana namu yabrano. Where the fuck are your bitch ass selves now? And I suddenly say monya feminist because when they are more they are more a pick and choose activism. Now pick and choose. It's a pick and choose activism. Yet to chrome her, and I broke her bema mine jawa here. Every rami fear, every video me naked. Everybody was quiet because so-called women rights activists, human rights activists, fuck. All of you have people that your organization or your mental health ebetimi aye adwuma amamo and am won crofo so a mo de am feel say they are not part of the people. Ghana, if you live your genuity, if you live your life, you are not part of it. Why na aka dia Cecilia Marfo Christian Council dia na maka asofu nya atwomfo dia na maka a Cecilia Marfo so wamra out e me come fetch Joy's blessing dia na maka. You don't like me and I don't even want you to like me because guess what? Me person me nya atwomsem me person me come and say go me boa me ni nyankopon dem etene na me ni pantam nyina ya basa because we ye nya atwom. Hypocrites mo asofo amugo bebre ni wo mo ire no magyan bebre na fie. Do you talk about it? Is marriage the ticket to heaven now? But pastors have kept quiet. Obia can not to just a few Christians give to say I think I've some of the gospel artists who tell you Omokana who say they need the Bible school. They are vague. Some of the gospel artists who tell Omokwa submission concerning abeyisem as Cecilia Marfo koye abeyisem and as a nation, this is what you people want. Fake and hypocrites. And this is what you see. Me gana po me say, me try me team, me ready for work. Esusuma dwene. Say, so-called human rights activists, so what the fuck are they? Because what Cecilia Marfo did was not biblical. Yanu bi akwa Bible school ti ebeti ni ache ya dwene. Ni akọ ti nyame asem a. The Holy Spirit does not embarrass people. The Holy Spirit is discipline. Now, who Cecilia Marfo na? Who si nyame wonkonkono atake over you, Cecilia Marfo no? And your Joy's blessing the year worship. And I will fruit through and one any. How did the Holy Spirit took over you? Say nyame wonkonkono na efa Cecilia Marfo the year duma. But they were soft, they will keep quiet. They will all keep quiet because Joy's blessing on tese asemesi omoduku on dresses from ni onye Kristo ni krasini and you know and ya children say I'm just telling you. See, I'm passing about me human right, me a woman, me a feminist. Mother, shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up and shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. We choose and pick feminism, name activism, name whatever you call yourself. It's pathetic. Yana mo yemi mobo. Me Afia put your forget you. I don't need your help. Let me repeat it. Me Afia, I don't need your help. My mental health no, I am stronger than what activism now. You know, and I don't need it. Forget it. But I just want to tell you that if you are a feminist, then you stand for all cause, not pick and choose. Social media trend, any Jimmy. Forget it. I'm waiting for so-called feminists to say something about another woman grabbing another woman's microphone to embarrass her, to bring her brand down. Gospel musicians, almost sorry in program as it's almost continuing. Yet you are almost Obia ya contratino. Yet you almost got to say you are shataska, said you are medical, said over to Yamika. Sememra show magic microphone and casa, and yet you will be a car. Nay, then yen I am quite druma. Yet you are Casabetonium. Yet you may make Casabetonium, and one I will be deliver me wabba dam. I'm saying it again. Joy's blessed to send you Tibia and no one full. Now I worshiping Yame. I'm a Cecilia Marfo for your so-called spirit, no, Abba. ye wo be a friend of familiar spirit. And then a sister Nedi Juma. Now, with the Christian Council for mu come on to. And with the Christian Libya, I mean, watch a video you must make. Messiah, my friend is saying, familiar spirit. Familiar spirit. It performs and acts like the Spirit of God. Familiar spirit. Now, coin, eti nyame onkonkon so nye nyame onkonkon akoya. Because your sister ni here no enye nyame onkonkon otimi ka se momma volume no momma keyboard na mra from what the Holy Spirit action. Now akoye we nu agu bi ani mase no age 6 points. Na ga na 40 no bia yedi no mo hwe. Obi ayedi tetente sugu krofo enu ba wo Cecilia Marfo. Time my boys never out be ka say ubo va sorry dem twetwe won mo kote no Holy Spirit enra wo mu. Time our asofo no on be ka chos on ba out be ka che say ade sa wo de won several wo be me mu twetwe won mo kote et na wo mo so enti wo mo Holy Spirit power what now be so aso dem ni wadi no na ya Nigerians ah we are Nigerians in what the twa aso dem ah and no dey na Holy Spirit ka fa won na wo dey ohun mama ya munja jimi it's about time put hey one am we mosa na mo gospel fraternity no mo ye saying mo anga mo ye saying now, so gospel, you say drama. A drama do come say, you know, so no, a drama do come, Muni Nara. Moon can woman root 10. Gospel musicians, or woman Asha, woman root 10, and money member. And this is Jai, sir. We are who says a woman why arriving, like you've arrived. I'm of why arriving because what will do? A share a atade asene wo ka se sane nyame somtie on Bible say wo som ya obedi. That is the word of God. Wo say I'll bless your food and I'll bless your water. And to your Christian ni na ya wo say me ye me hu fia e na kire say e fata nyame a me ba cho wo gu Yesu anim ase mo nya atwom no na mo kai Bible na mo sua nyame asem na mo sua nyansa na mo nya jimi me kwa aduma ahanam dibese so-called women activists no pick and choose activists no you should be ashamed of yourself. I know some bitches, and I'm using the word bitches because Miss Velanco Catrice Boachi and Catrice won't respond. But I know some bitches who sat on radio and attacked that girl. Because Nyamie Shrano na yamuya. What is it? I know people that came up and there's this saying and I can tell Yanko say ne trakanka and can the trap bono can change the say in a bonanu. Can the trap bono on just in a bonanu. And then and I can tell Yanko say ne trakanka Saba Crona Muko defending on or castle the Yonko back quadro so I could tear 2,000 Ghana dear number kaya because when you believe Tracy watching what was your son activists foolish people deep down it is hatred you have for Tracy watching and Nyami the bit triamoka Nyami the bit triamoka o Nyami also the bit triamoka Joyce best in Yanko the bit triamoka Sam feminism no ye call him the mic. Eku na nyuma se no. Wa ma dwen say ase muniha. Maka me no kwa wa wonte ase ko shepu na fuck off. Men fro. So called feminist. O yonku won adwuma oba na wade egu won adwuma nkra na microphone na tonyon. Ade adwuma se de be one ne mba benya bibia di. Aya wo de go that break up the concert akohwi mic edi nkwasi asem ewie ya wo program ayefa wo se betonyom no wo ya akose me ntonyom na Joyce blessing ye de be ye no ya wo share me gospel program bi ase a eya ma honhom mra na abe ho honhom no se gu ahodo who share gift you say I akoya sa akwase asem children no anche unya me honhom na bi ye hye so called feminist not obi ayedi because ye the joy is blessing obi ayedi